Hi National Board candidates. This video will help you learn how to put all of your scanned documents into one PDF file to upload for your final submission. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get one PDF file ready to go. I like to start with my cover sheet for any of my files so that way I can see initially what I'm going to do. So you can see here that I have my portfolio instructions open. This is from 2012, so please don't use this for yours. I am CTE. I know that everybody else has a different certificate area. So I'm using the program Preview. I like it a little bit better than Adobe because for me it works a little bit better. I'll show you both ways though. So this is my entire portfolio instructions. I don't need all of these, so I'm looking just for my cover sheets. So I'm going to go to my thumbnails, and I've already looked at this before. I know that my cover sheet is way down here. The one that I want to use is on page 108, which is right here, my accomplishments cover sheet. So I'm going to make a copy of this particular file because I don't want to delete my original portfolio instructions. So there's a couple ways that you can do that. You could go up to File and say Duplicate, and you'll notice that the file is going to jump a little bit as my computer waits, and then I can rename this on the file at the top here. So I'm just going to call this Sample Cover Page, and I'll put 4 on it because it's accomplishment number 4. Now from here, because this is a duplicate document, I'm going to delete everything else that I don't need. So I know that from 109 down to 120, I'm going to hold Shift and highlight all of those and hit Delete, and they go away. And then I'm going to click on 107. I'm going to go the whole way up to the top. I'm going to hold Shift. I'm going to press on that number 1, and everything is going to highlight, and I hit Delete. And then I'm going to do a quick file save, and now I'm just going to save that onto my desktop. I have one cover page, so I'm ready to go for this submission. So you'll notice that I have over here on the side Sample 1 and Sample 2. These are already scanned documents in a PDF format. All I need to do is I'm going to click and hold and drag it right over here to the thumbnail. I want to make sure that I put it directly on top of my sample cover page. If it goes below, it will be created in a new document. So right on top, and I let go. And you'll notice I now have page 1 and page 2. Now these are out of order, so all I need to do is just drag my cover sheet up, and now it's on the first page. And then I take student sample 2, same idea. I'm going to drag it over here. Now I can put it in the middle and then just resize, or if I put it underneath, as long as it's above that little line, you're good to go. So now I have my cover page, I have my sample page 1, and my sample page 2 of National Boards is Fun. Just make sure that you save this. Can you do File Save? And now we're ready to go. So I'm going to do Command Q to quit. And then I'm just going to open this in Adobe Acrobat to make sure that it works. So I'm going to double click and open. And now I'm in Acrobat. Right here I'm going to open up my thumbnails. I have 1 page, page 2, and page 3. So you're good to go. If you'd like to see how to do it in Adobe Acrobat, I'm just going to delete these 2 pages out. And you're going to go basically through the same idea. You're going to take your sample page 1 and you're going to put it here. The blue line means that it's being inserted. So sample page 1 here. And then we have sample page 2, same idea, blue line underneath. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to do a quick Command S, File Save, and then you're good to go. If you need any other help, just let me know. Thank you.